Welcome back to the Alpine Rose. Season 3, Episode 4. In this episode, we'll be putting together the main level floor. The plans for the main level was one of the easier pages to read. The plans called for double 2x10s all the way around the rim, a single 2x10 along the bearing wall of the basement, and the floor joists were 2x10s every 16 inches. Floor joists set on the bearing wall in the center 2x6, and the 2x8 pressure treated outer rim. Colorado is famous for afternoon rainstorms, and we got our share, so we're constantly covering everything up with plastic. I left an opening as per the plans for the stairway. I added blocking to anything that was less than the 16-inch on center. I added the outer rim board to finish up the rim. The original plans called for extra support where the fireplace was going to go, but we changed those plans to actually be a wood stove. Next, the plan called for a 3/4 inch OSB for the floor. The kit also included 1x6 tongue and groove. Here's a view of how the character post was notched out to support the stairway and the other support beams. I started piling up logs around the front of the house and around the back to get everything ready for what was to come. Stay tuned for episode 5, where we start putting the logs on. Thank you for watching.